Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. I've got a special one for you today. We've got a 2019 Softail FXDRS. They only made these in 19 and 20, I believe. I don't think they made them in 2018. But this one isn't your regular FXDR. This one has the 131 cubic inch Screamin Eagle big bore kit, stage 4. All the work was done here, dyno tuned here. Put some really great numbers down on the dyno. So this is a very fast bike, tons of power. See, they've got the inverted forks on the front end, real great handling, dual disc brakes. It's got the ABS on it. Got a small windshield on here. Matching grips and pegs. Really good looking bike. It's the Bonneville Salt White Denim. They've done a license plate relocation. You know, these came from the factory with a big thing around here. This looks a lot cleaner. Got the Bassani Road Rage 2-in-1. Got a Harley seat on there. LED brake light, turn signals. This is definitely a wicked bike. Low mileage. They added cruise control to it, so that's nice. So now let's get to the good stuff. That 2-in-1 definitely got some volume to it. This bike will absolutely get up and go. If you think this could be your next bike, definitely come see this thing in person, take it for a test ride, or inquire about it here on the website.